In this video, I will show you how to achieve this beautiful design on this dress. You can see. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let me show you how to cut it. Let's start with the cutting. So I'm cutting out these pieces of fabric. So just continue watching till the end. You understand what I will do with this. All these pieces I've cut out. Okay. So I cut out 4 pieces of this. Okay. The width is 4.5 and the length is 25 inches. I cut 25 inches length and one in 20.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold each of them like so. I'm going to close it up. So this is the strips that I cut. I want to use it and make a design on the blouse, but I have to go to my sewing machine now. I'll turn it to the right side. I'll fold it like so and close it up. Before I close it, I have to mark to take the measurement of how I'll place it. Now for this point, I will make it 10 inches to be like this. This end, something of this nature, and I want it to go like so. I'll close it up before I do that. I want it to have something of this nature. Okay. This will be the second one on it. I want it to have something like this. So I want to take the length before I close up. I'll close it up so that I know. So I want to check the length before I close so that I know exactly the length. Okay. So to be something of this nature, this upper side I will make it smaller depending on how I want it. So I want it to have something like this. Okay. So that I have to join it to the edge before I close up the two sides. So after which I'll put a button here. So just be up here. I'll put a button here. Okay. So this is how it will look. So I'll go now and close up. I'll just fold it to the right side like so. Close it up, close up the edges. Okay. The same thing, but this particular one I have to reduce it to be smaller. So by the time I close it up, I'll join it together with this. Okay. This will be the upper one. If you want, you can do it this way. You can actually fold it this way, but I don't want. I'll close it up. Okay. I'll close it up. Then, so I'll go to my sewing machine and do that. After which I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So I've joined these together. You can see. So you can see how it is. I've used the pin to hold it through, after which I will use my button to design it. Okay, so you can see I've used the pin to secure it. I have to separate the lining. The lining is separate. I've not closed it up, so I'll go ahead, go to my sewing machine and open it up and sew through. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see the dress, the design. You can see how beautiful it looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for more styles. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And bye until I see my next video.